I have been on YouTube for 5 years now. And if you look at how many videos I have uploaded so far, it's 700 plus videos, which is almost 2 videos per week. And the subscriber count might not be high. I'll show you how YouTube is rewarding when it comes to consistency and when you are giving value to your audience. I'll show you my analytics and tell you that any good content you make, if you're not getting success today, it might not be tomorrow, but definitely if your content is good, it will get consumed, it will reach the right audience, and you will get the recognition and reward for making that content. Even before I go there, while I'll be showing you my channel analytics, I wanted to show you this channel, Hanumankind. And this channel has been since 2019 and now has close to 32 million views and reaching 500k subscriber. What's interesting is that this one video, which is a viral video now, and you see last 28 days, it has seen an exponential growth. It's trending on music at number 9. And this one video has got close to 22 million views. So one good video not just brings you the view what is required. This video has been going international and this has been reaching people all over the world. The comments are insane and I personally did like this video. So that's the reason I'm showing you this analytic. Once this video started to perform well, you see here, these videos have also started to gain traction. So let me just pull out this. See here, over the last couple of days, this has suddenly picked up and started to shoot over the moon, this video. Same is with this video. You see, all this is happening in August. And before that, it was not getting much views. But suddenly, one good video and that pulls all other video. Let's see the comparison. Once we come here and click comparison, you see, this is the published one, this video, and the other videos, how they have been performing. So you see, this has suddenly seen an upward trend, and we go to overview part of it. Again, 32 million views, of which 27 million views have come in last 28 days. And the subscriber count, 440k subscriber added in last 28 days. So this is the power of consistency. This is the power of being in these kind of platforms. In case you want to know more details on how it impacts revenue and other things, you can click here on more detail and you will come to this website where you get to see what the estimate revenue could be in the last 28 days. While these are projections, the real numbers might be completely different, which at least I have been seeing in my case. So these statistics are good to know about how any channel is doing good and also to get to know why these channels are doing good. So same thing you see here, the views suddenly taking off after June and so is the subscribers here. So this goes hand in hand, which I am also seeing personally in my channel. Coming to my own channel, so this is one particular video which I had published almost a year earlier in 2020. And if you see the views, these views have not been great till about June of this year. And after June, from 1000, it has started to see an increase and it has only been improving. Now, it's not just the view. This view also gives you a lot of analytics and how you can make good content for your audience who comes to your channel. So you see here, this is the channel dashboard and here you get to see the performance of a particular video, or you can also see how the entire channel is performing. In this case, so far, this one particular video has got almost 7k views. And as I said, it was not for June of this year that I started to see an increase. And it has only been going up, and most of the search is coming through the YouTube. You see here 35% from the, and almost 17% is coming through the suggestion, which is going to the individuals, and also it is getting shared externally. So I don't post any of my videos on any of the social media platform or even on a platform like WhatsApp. I don't even share with my friends. So people are finding it useful and they are sharing it with someone who is in need of help. And again, the direct or unknown is when somebody is coming and checking the videos directly, even without YouTube recommending. So, and then of course, browse searches. We'll go into all these specifics one by one. And you see here, this video, once it started to garner attention, almost 600 hours have been consumed. Like a lot of people say, it's difficult to get, views. It's difficult for people to come and invest time, find the content. If it is long form, it's all myth. A lot of people are doing short form content. I seldom do short form content. You might get audience there, but you don't get money. And again, people have different strategies. In my case, I am not behind subscribers, and most of the input comes from the YouTube itself, and that is what I'm using to make content for my audience. Once we come down here, you see 60% of the viewers are still watching around 30-second mark. So typically what happens is, if someone is coming to a long form content, they don't find it relevant, within few seconds they're out. So here, if you see, average view duration is close to 5.5, and average percentage viewed is 40%. Now, when it comes to long form content, some of the content creators are exceptional. They're able to hold on to their audience from start till end. In case of my videos, where it is more to, it's more like self-help, where people are coming with question and they want a specific answer, they would not be spending time on watching the entire video, even though I recommend them. And that way, they make less mistake if they have to go and commit to any work for which they are coming and watching the videos. So the view duration is also a sign where you get to see how your videos are getting consumed by your audience. Now, if you look at this part, YouTube search term, this is again a very important way for you to know what search term the audience are looking for. And this could be a great lead for you to go and make a content and cater to audience specific need. So if you look at the traffic source here, it shows how many views have come, what percentage of the view are searching for a particular term. So keeping all these things in mind, if I go and make a content, the audience finds value, it's only going to increase. So these analytics are a great tool for you to make good videos. When it comes to the revenue part, the geography plays a big role. If your audience is from countries like US, Canada, UK, Singapore, Germany, Australia, Netherlands, the revenue per 1,000 view what you get is on a higher side than what you get from India. So these statistics will help you focus on which audience do you want to target. So this particular video, even though it was made for people outside India, looks like a lot of people within India were interested in this video, who would have gone back to India and who were filing taxes. So that's why you see a significant number of views coming from India. Otherwise, most of my video content are consumed in Canada and the nearby geography. 80% of my audience is from US and Canada, and remaining is spread throughout the geography. And all I wanted to bring your attention is that if you have a good content, if your audience starts to find value in that content, your views are going to organically go high. And if one content is found good by an audience, if you are in a particular niche, I don't have a niche, because most of my videos, what I share are my personal experiences, and audience tries to find them through the YouTube searches. And that's why you would have seen that high YouTube search, which I showed you in the dashboard earlier. So friends, all I wanted to bring to your attention, especially to those who are in platform like YouTube and feel frustrated that you're not getting views, you're not getting recognition, you're not getting audience, just keep making good videos and your audience will find. Thanks for watching.